Good morning everyone. So how are you so far everyone today? Good, right? So hope you all are done and well done and fine everyone. Okay. However, today is Thursday, right? So everyone, can you tell me about our class schedule that depending on Thursday? What book do we study on Thursday? Good, right? So on Thursday we are going to study about grammar classes 3 and hangout 6. So in the first session we are going to move on forward with our grammar classes, which will be continuing from the previous lesson. However, I would like to ask you with some question related to what you have learned so far about yesterday's lesson. So everyone, what did you study yesterday? Good, right? So yesterday we study in grammar class 3 and in unit 6 it's talk about future will versus will be going to. So can you tell me the differences between the will and be going to using in a sentence? Good, right? The formula might be very different from each other. However, the definition is quite a little bit similar to each other. And likely it is talking about the future facts, right? And furthermore, it is also going to talk about, right? So if you will, you plan without thinking, right? But you begin to, you plan while or before you do. It means that you have already planned, okay? Plan with thinking and plan without thinking. Very nice, right? So in order that, I would like to have a short review which will be talking about the formula of each form, okay? Related to future simple with will and future of be going to, okay? Right. So everyone, we still to be continue with our unit 6. I'll have you the same, but however, we are going to continue in the other part or in the other page that is related to our lessons. However, you can see our review that will be take around 5 minutes in order to review all of you in order to get involved in your lessons that you have learned so far. Okay, right. So review future will. So as you know that future will, we already know that the first one is talk about future facts, right? And second one is talk about the plan without thinking or while speaking. This is the time that you are going to do it. Okay, it means that while you are doing another activity, you are going to will talk about your future activity. Okay, so in positive we have subject plus will plus verb 1. Okay, and blah blah here it can be many other things. And I would like to inform that there is no example of you because you have already learned, so that's why I just get the formula to give you the guidance or the way of making the sentence. Okay, right. Negative subject plus will not plus verb 1, and question will plus subject plus verb 1 blah blah and question mark. Okay. However, there will be a formula of future be into as well. You can see in our formula as a positive negative question. So in positive we have subject plus be going to plus verb 1, right? And negative subject plus be not going to plus verb 1, and question to be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 blah blah and question mark. So in here it talks about the way you are going to create the sentence, you are going to create a statement, right? What kind of statement that you want to create it? It is a positive statement, negative statement, or question statement. Okay, right. So however, today everyone, I would like you open your grammar classes book and on page 31. Okay, so on page 31 we are going to talk about the future too, but it is going to talk about statement and yes no. So for the statement, have you given you, okay, right, has already given you about the form that is going to be related to will and be going to. And furthermore, today we are going to think about yes no statement. Okay, so yes no statement, we can say the yes no answer in order to answer the question related to will and be going to. Okay, so the rules for forming statements and questions in the future are different for will and be going to. So the form it is very different as you have seen so far with the review part. Let's talk about the review form, okay, which is already taught, okay, which is already learned yesterday. However, today we are going to continue with the other part that is talking about the yes no statement. Okay, right. So future will, the positive statement, the test will be easy. Okay, Negative statement, she won't win. Question statement, will you eat with us? So in here, when you want to answer to somebody else, right? You have to answer yes, I will, yes, he will, yes, she will, yes, they will, yes, you will, okay, yes, we will. So in here, it is depending on the subjects that you are going to put in here, okay? So yes, we will, yes, I will, like that. If you know, no, I won't. Do not put like, yes, I will eat with you. No, it is not, right? Just only put the sentence or the answer is that yes, I will only, or no, I will not only, or no, I won't, okay? So this is the way that you are going to answer in a yes, no question or yes, no statement. However, in the question consisting with two ways as well, right? The first one you are saying that yes, no question. Second one you are going to talk about long answer or WA question. And WA question we will focus for the next part or the next lessons. However, today we are going to focus only one is yes, no statement or yes, no question, okay? Right, so when you see the sentence like this, it is going to be talking about yes, no statement or yes, no question. If you answer yes, yes only, subject plus will only, okay? If no, subject plus will not only. So this is the way that you are going to answer somebody else about yes, no question. However, if teacher B going to is talking about the test is going to be easy. So the formula, okay, the sentence is, we can say it's quite similar, okay, but the meaning or the form or the how do we create the sentence is not similar, okay, it's not the same as each other. So the test is going to be easy. She isn't going to win. Is she going to watch the game? However, in this case, even though it is the future action the same as will, right? Your answer, it should not be the same as will. Why? Because you have what? You have to be ready, right? Because in our form we have be going to, so that's why we have to be am is are. This is the reason why we do not answer like yes, she will, no, she will not, it is not, right? Because of what? We have using to be, so that's why we have to answer with to be. So yes, yes, she is, no, no, she is, she is not, or she is, she isn't, okay? So this is the way of, it is going to be different from the statement and also yes, no statement, okay? Right, so everyone, do you have any question regarding to this one? If you have any questions, you can raise your hand up or you can raise your question in the group. There will be any answering to the question that you are asking to the teacher, okay? Right. Okay, so however, in order to check your understanding, I would like you to pay attention in, okay, on page 30. So on page 30, you are going to have more paying, okay, more paying attention in order what? Yes, in order to practice every exercise that exists in our lessons. So everyone, let's move to page 30 and we are going to move on with our practice. So the practice, we have two sections to do today. We have section A and section B. So because of what in here, because I could not write full sentence to all of you, that's why I just put down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in order to write only the answer to all of you, okay? Right, so everyone, as our example in the first one is number 1, they are talking about it will or is rain tomorrow. So that's why you are going to use will because of what, right? Okay, so number 1, we use will because of our sentence is consisting with the verbs only and we do not choose like is going to. So that's why you just only using with will, okay? You cannot use like it is rain tomorrow, it is not available to you, okay? Good, right? How about number 2, everyone? So number 2 have two words. One is met and one more is meeting. Which one that you are going to think that is the correct answer? Very good, right, everyone? So the answer is meet. Why do you choose meet, everyone? We choose meet because of what you can see will. So that's why we will, okay? So we will. This is the reason why that we are to choose meet because we will plus with verb 1, right? Okay, it is not available to use meeting, not we will meeting at the soccer field now, right? We will meet at the soccer field, okay? Right, how about number 3, everyone? You go into field or field? Good, right? So the number 3 is field, okay? So this is the same as number 2 sentence that is talking about will already existing. So that's why we do not use be going to, okay? We just use only verb 1, okay, right? Okay. Number 4, they are going take or to take, which one that is the correct answer, everyone? Right, you can see our formula is that going to plus verb. So that's why in here you have to use to take. Good, right? Okay. How about number 5? Which one is the correct answer? Number 5, everyone. Okay. Number 5, kill, want or isn't, enjoy. Which one is it? Good, right? It is want. Okay. How about number 6? She is not going or she will not going. Okay. Is right. This is the correct answer because of what? Because we have the word going to at the back side or after that, right? Okay. So right now, let's move to section B that check the correct sentence. A1. Number 1. A. We bought tickets. We'll see a movie. B. We bought tickets. We're going to see a movie. Which one is the correct answer, A1? Okay, so in number 1, has it given you the answer this? So the answer of number 1 is letter B, right? This is the correct answer is that we bought tickets. We are going to see a movie. So how about number 2? The sub is this. Let's try it. Okay, I'll test it. Okay, I'm going to test it. Which one is the correct answer? The sub is this. Try it. So in this one, you are going to say, okay, I'll test it, or okay, I'm going to test it. Good, right? So the answer is letter A. Okay, letter A. So this is talking about that you did not pretend to do it. You did not pretend to test anything else. Okay, but if you are planning to test anything else, fine, you are going to begin to, but you are not pretend to want to test something else. So that's why you just doing any other future activity related to your speaking right now, okay, while you are speaking with someone. Okay, so how about number 3, A1? So number 3, they asking you the question is that what do you want to drink? A, I'll have some milk. B, I'm going to have some milk. So A1, do you think which one is the correct answer in here? Good, right? So the answer or the correct answer in here will be talking about letter A, right? Letter A is the correct answer because of what? Good. You have no planning. You just go there and then they ask you that what do you want to drink? So that's why you just tell them that okay, I want like this, like that. Okay, right? So every right now it is your break time and please enjoy your break time.